Okay, welcome. I want to say, as you can see, this is a church, or in case you are modeling or you want to design for mosque, even stadium. But this is how to go about gallery. Today is gallery modeling. So as you can see, these are the modeled. So as you can see, this has been done. So you can see the steps. Can you see it? So that is that. And then I want to say that you learned a lot because a lot have been explained, and which we are going to be listening to now. Please, as you're watching this video, I want to say try and click on like button. So we expect that if you are having 100 views, we also have 100 likes. If you're having 1 million views, we also have 1 million likes. Is that okay? Because the more like we have, the more YouTube send this video viral for others who are eager to learn how to model gallery. We will be able to have access to it, because the less like we have, the less YouTube will send this video for others to watch. Please do us a favor and others who are eager to learn a favor by clicking on like button. It doesn't take you anything, just to do what? Click once and for all. And that's in case you have not subscribed also, I want to say you subscribe to our Ekidel channel. Thank you very much. So therefore, let's dive into how to model this particular gallery. Thank you, and therefore let's go there. Hello, welcome to Ekidel. We're wishing future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fasha Uchet. Today we want to show you, looking at this church, we discover that in some churches we cannot dispute the fact that there are some churches that the gallery is as flat as this. Understand? So we have some churches based on architectural drawing and what they want. We have some churches whereby, or mosque, where the gallery is as flat as this, as normal. While we also have some where the gallery is just like this, as slant as this, step by step. Is that okay? Now looking at this one, look at this one that has been done. This one can be trimmed at side during the construction. This particular place can be taken care of. Is that okay? So that is that. As you can see how it is. This step, this is a normal step. From here you step down, from here you step down to this place, isn't it? So that is that. Now I want to show you, or let me use the word, we want to show you how to step your gallery just as this. Is that okay? And there are a lot of explanation I'm going to be doing here. Is that okay? So how do you go about it? Because we have to do it practically, such that what we are doing or what we are designing is what is obtainable at site. Is that okay? So that is a live project, and let's see how we can achieve this based on architectural drawing. So what we are trying to do here, based on architectural drawing, at this point is normal, and the step is 250. Is that okay? 250 and 150. Now where do we have 250 and where do we have 150? All I'm going to explain. So let's start. Now looking at this place, this place is normal as a height. This is a normal step, and what the architect wants, it doesn't want a situation whereby you're already seeing a slant beam. You want the beam to be normal at the outside, while it is when you enter inside you now see the slant beams. Is that okay? And the slant gallery. So that is that. So this place is normal, and based on architectural drawing, from this place you step down to this place by 225. Understand? And when you are coming here, you also step down by 225, and this place is going to be by 150. Now why is it doing that? Is because it does not want a situation whereby when people are entering, they are trying to leave space in between here. No, you want a situation whereby as people are coming here, they follow here and enter like this. You go like this, you enter like this, and also you go like this, you enter like this, you go like this, you enter like this, etc. So that there will be space. The arrangement will be such that there will be a small space in between. Okay, so as you're coming like this, you enter like this. It's like you come like this or you go like this, isn't it? So that's that. Also from this place, you also come like this or you go like this, so whichever way. So that's the purpose of the architect, and that's the purpose of the design. So how can we achieve all of this and do such that you have steps like this one? So let's now start. Is that okay? All right, so let me now excuse me. So let me now on my grids display. Okay, and then on it back. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, let's wait for it. All right, now let's start. So looking at this, let's now see. We said it that from this place we step down 225, isn't it? Very good. Now from this place we step down 225. So 225 plus 225 give us what? 450. Am I correct? So give us a 450. Now we said that this place is being stepped down by what? 150. So 225 plus 225 plus 150 give us what? 225, that's 450 plus this 500, that's 600. Am I correct? Yes, that should be 600. Now let me say 225, let's do it, plus 225 plus 150. Okay, that's 600. Is that okay? That's 600. If that is 600, then it means that I'm going to be stepping this place. So let's now start how to go about it. Is that okay? So now looking at this beam, let me start with this particular one here. I'll start with this one, then right click. And one thing with this Prota Structure 2022 is that that makes different from that of a 2018 is that for this one you can click, if it's Prota 2018, you click, right click, and come to property. Is that okay? Before you can see this. But in this Prota Structure 2022, you can just go here and double click. Is that okay? And it's give you the same result. Is that okay? So that as I double click, I'll come to this place. We say it's what? At this place top, there's Z I is going to be what? Because the top, I'm taking it down by what? By minus 600. Then click on what? On both sides. Is that okay? On both sides. And there's G, because this side is J, while this side is I. So I'll now put minus what? Minus 600 also. Minus 600 also. I'll click on what? Update. Is that okay? Once I click on update, so let's wait for it. So it has gone down by 600, isn't it? By 600. Is that okay? So that's how to do. So for now, I'm going to select all in order to not to waste much time. So I'm going to select, to now to do the length of this video, I'll just click on this. Click on this, then press my control key, yes, press this one, click on this one, and also this one. That's fine. So I'll now right click this time around. I'll now click on the property, then from property I'll enter the same value that I entered for this first one here. Is that okay? For the first one here. So let's wait for it to come up. Is that okay? All right, it will come in the form of a property table. So I'll now look for where I have my del Z and del I, del J. This right and left. Okay, yeah, this is right. So at this right, I'll click, select this one, I'll come to this place and make it minus 600. Is that okay? Then click on this. Okay, and also del coming, am I correct? Yes, I think so. That's left. Also, yes, this one also, I'll make it what? Minus 600. Then click on OK, and then finally close this. So can you see what we have now? Can you see it? We have stepped it down. So therefore, let me also come to this place. Let me come to this place. The same thing. Let me double click. Or if you are using Prota Structure 2018, you might need to right click. If you double click, it will not work. So I'll come to the 3D. Then from this 3D, I'll come to the top, the I minus 600, and also this side also minus 600. Is that okay? I will now click on update. Okay, let's update. Let's see. Come up. Okay, we have taken to that place. Okay, close this one. So I'm going to select all now for us to do that. Is that okay? So we are going to see what you're going to achieve at the end of this. Is that okay? Select this one, right click. Select this one, press Control key and select this one, and also right click this time around. You can double click on this. Since we are selecting all, I'll also come to this place now and then select this, then put what? Minus 600. Okay, minus 600. Okay, and also come to this place and also this side and put minus 600. Sorry, minus 600. Okay, click on it, and then also now click on close. Can you see what we are having now? So you can see what we are having. Is that okay? You can see what you're having. So therefore, don't forget that when it comes to this other side, we say from this place, from here, you step down to this place by 225. Is that okay? Then from this place, you also step down by what? 225. So 225 plus 225 give us what? 450. Is that okay? So which means that at this point, I'm going to step it down with what? With by 450. Am I correct? Yes, by 450. So I'll click on this, right click, then at I, then property, or you double click, whichever way. So that is that. Then come to this at I. Where are you? Yes, at I. I'm going to, you can see this product for 2022 or 2024 will show you where is I, where is J. Is that okay? Why product for 2018 does not give you that one. So I'll now put my what? Minus 600, because only this I side that I want to take down by what? By 450, by minus 450. Is that okay? Minus 450. Sorry, minus 450. Okay, click on it. Update. Yes, let's see how it's going. Let's see how it goes. Okay, you can see we have taken it down by what? By that 450. Is that okay? By that 450. All right, so I'm going to select all now and do the same thing. Is that okay? And do the same thing. So click on this one, select this one, and also press my Control key, select this one and also this one, then right click. I'll click on the property. Okay, then this left should be I guess. Left should be I. So then click on this. There's minus 450. Then click on update. Okay, rather, and then click on let's come up. Let's come up. Okay, then click on close. Let's see. Okay, it has all worked, so that's fine. That's good. So now let's now see. I haven't done that again. You can see what we are having, but don't worry, we are moving. So now I haven't done that. We now start with what do you call it? 400, 450. Okay, and this other one, which one again? So let's now start with this. Is okay? Let's start with all of this. These beams here, intermediate beams. So I'll also click on this one, select this. Is that okay? Then right click, just as normal. Then I'll take it down. Then property. Don't forget that we said that this place, from here to this place, from here to this place, is from this first one here up here is normal. Why this place is what, 225, and this place 225. So I'm taking this one down by what, by 225, sorry, by 450. So therefore I'll come to this place, I'll put my what at the I, I'll put minus 450, and I'll click on what, on update, and let's see what is going to happen. That's what's going to happen. Let's wait, let us wait. Be fast. Okay, it has been done. Click on close. All right, I'm going to select all now. Sorry, it's supposed to be both end. Sorry, both end. Sorry for that. Okay, let's come up. Okay, let me go back this one. Then I'll just select this. Control C to copy. Then select here. Then Control V, paste it, and then click on update. And let's see. Let's come up. Okay. Both sides we go down by 450. Is that okay? So yes, good and fine, perfect. So therefore I'm going to select this one now, all of this, then press my control key, select this, let me move, also select this, and then right click, property, come to properties, then come to left. Yeah, that's the left. I'll come to this place and then select this, then control V, you can see, click on it, it's okay, then close. Let me close it. Okay, let's wait for it to come up. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's supposed to be both end. Sorry, let me go back. It's supposed to be both end. Yeah, to the right, no, to this, then this one, that's beam, it's not column. Okay, then Control V, let me click okay, and click on close. Let me click on close, and let's wait for it. Good and fine. So can you see what we are having now? We are having this, isn't it? That is good. And let's go further. Since we step this one down by what, by 450, which is the normal point, then our column here will also be the same thing, because it's coming down to by what, 450. So I'll select this one. Just okay, let me do one column. Let's see, one column. Let me see this one. Okay, property, let's come up, property. Okay, come to this place. Then at the top I'll take it down by what, by minus 450. Let's paste this, then update. Let's see, it will go down by that 450. Is that okay? So let's wait for it. Put down by that 450. Okay, be fast. I'm going to be slow. Okay, perfect. So can you see what we're having? Can you see it here? That's fine. So therefore let me close this one and now select all. Is that okay? I'll now select all. Let's see, we are designing this together, isn't it? Okay, then click on this, then press my control key, click on this, and also this, then right click, and then come to property, and come to let's see, top. There's top. Yes, I'll come to this place, top. I want to bring down. So this is a column, it's one side. Is that okay? I'll click on this, then Control V, okay, and then click on OK. Let's wait for it. Okay, it has come. Then click on what, on close. Let's see everything have gone down to that 450. Is that okay? So it has gone down to that 450. So let me now see. Let's see. Okay, it's there. Can you see it? It's perfectly okay. Now I haven't done this one like this. Sorry, I haven't done this one like this. Let me take it. Let me reduce it. I haven't done this one like this. Okay. Now what we now do is that we have stepped this place down by what, by 450, and this place, don't forget, we have to take this one down by 225, because somebody that is here, people that are here, they will come down to this place by what, by 225. Is that okay? And somebody that is here will come down to this place by what, by 225 also, which makes it from here to this place 450. Do you get it now? Then somebody that is here, when you get to this place, we always step down to this place by what, by 150, which gives us what, 600. So the distance between the angle from here, the distance is from here to this place will be 600. That's why we have this one 600. Why this one from here to this place will be what 450, and this one will now come to what to 225. Is that okay? So that is that. I haven't explained all of those things. So this one I will just come to this place, select this one, select this. Don't worry, we are going to see what we are going to be achieving. Select this one also, select this beam also, and come to this place, select this one, and also come to this place this one, and also select this. Is that okay? So I've selected all. I'll right click, then I'll come to the property. Yes, let's wait for it. It has come. So from this place, it's going to be both sides. Is that okay? I'm stepping down by what? By 450. Sorry, by 225. Is that okay? So by 225, the Z. Okay, right. That's the right hand side. I'll step down by minus 225. Is that okay? Minus 225. Control C. Then click on OK. All right. Let's wait for it. And then the left side. Let's wait for it. The left hand side. Okay, the left hand side now. I'll click on this, then also come to this place, and also then Control V, paste. Then okay, let's wait for it also. Okay, it has appeared. Then I'll now click on what? On close. Is that okay? Let me close it. So that is that. Now you can see what we have done so far. Is that okay? So far. So if you find this video interesting, I want to say you should give this video a thumbs up. Is that okay? And also subscribe. Is that okay? So at the end of this, you see and you learn how to model your gallery. Is that okay? So what we are doing, we are trying to model our gallery. Is that okay? So that is that. And let's continue. I said it that the purpose of the architect and purpose of this drawing is that people, as they are moving here, when they are coming, you don't need to be moving in here, but you can, this place we are looking for a path, the path for movement. Is that okay? This place will be path for movement, so that after the service, people that are here will just come down to this place and then go to the staircase side. Is that okay? So, and if you are coming for service, you just move along this side and also enter like this. So therefore, let's now start. Now looking at this particular one, we step this place down by what? By 600. So I'll come to this place, click, right click, and then come to property. Let's see, to the property. Okay, I'll now come to relative level. I'll make it minus 600. Is that okay? Minus 600. Let me update it, and let's. Okay, that is that. Now you can see what we are having. Can you see it? Can you see it? As we step it down by 600, so you can see what we are having. Sorry, you can see what we are having. Can you see it? Let me zoom it possibly. Okay, you can see what we are having. Can you see it? Is that okay? So that is fine. So therefore, let me see if I can select all and if it will work. Is that okay? If it will work, let's see. Come up. Okay, let me select this. Then press my Control key. Select this one. Sorry. Select this one. Let me select the axis. Sorry. Let me click outside. Axis have been selected. So let me see. Okay, select this. Press my Control key down. Then select this one also, and also come and select this. That's fine. So I'll now come to right click and also click on property. So let's wait for it as the property comes up. So let me now see where to step it down. Let me see where we can step it down. This is roof flow, this is this. Okay, no, okay, no, let me see. Angle. Okay, the del Z, let me see, maybe it's at this del Z. Let's see. Del Z, let me see. By 600. Am I correct? By minus 600. Minus 600. Let's see if it is the one. So let's see. Del Z. Let's see. Okay, then perfect. I think it works. So you can see what we are having now. Excuse me. So you can see what we are having now. Is that okay? Perfect. This is now perfect. So you can see it. What we are having is that okay. So good and fine. Now coming to this place. Don't forget that we said that when we are coming here, when we are here, you step down to this place by 225, and you also step down to this by 225. So from this place to this place is what? 450. Is that okay? So therefore, having shown you that, I'm going to select all of this, this one, select this one, select this one. I've shown you if you want to do it individually how to go about it. Then I want to select all, so that in order to reduce the length of this video. See, we are taking time to show you how to, how to model your gallery. So look at this, then right click on this, and also wait for it. I'll come to this side where I have my DZ, then click on this and also step it down by minus 450. Click on OK and then click on close. Is that okay? We click on what? On close, and let's see what we are having. Can you see? Can you see what we are having now? Can you see it? Can you see it? Very interesting. Can you see it now? Can you see it? You can see what we are having now, isn't it? So can you see how the steps goes? Is that okay? So I haven't done that one also. Excuse me. I'll click on this and also click on this. That's pressing my control key down. Is that okay? Pressing my control key down. I'll also now click on what? On this. I'll also click on this. Let's come. Okay, yes, click on this, and also I'll come to this place and also click on this. Is that okay? Haven't done that. I'll now right click and then come to property. From property, I'll come to my Z. Then I'll also come to this place and step it by what? By -225. Do you see the calculation now? You understand? So all this one is depend on what architectural drawing. So click on OK and let's wait for it how it will step it down, and we have our gallery being modeled. So let's see. Okay, let's come up. Okay, it has come. So let's now click on close. Let me click on close. Let's see. Let's click close. Let me click on close. Let's see. Good and fine. Let me click outside. So good, very good. I'm coming. Let's finish. Perfect. Can you see what we are having now? Can you see the step? How it goes? Can you see it now? Okay, let me remove the axis. Let's see. Let me remove this axis. Oh, sorry. I'm coming. Okay. All right. So can you see it now? Can you see it? How clean it is? So you can see what we are having. So you can see the gallery. Can you see it now? If I start from here, can you see it? Just like in form of your stadium. Can you see it? Can you see it? So now there's something I want to explain. Now looking at this place, there's something I want to explain. Looking at this place, if you look at this is what? This is a this beam here, as you can see, this is a drop-down beam for this slab at this point. Where my cursor is, yes, where my cursor is now, this one is a drop-down beam for this. But when it comes to this slab and this beam here, this beam for this slab at this edge here becomes what? Inverted beam. Inverted beam in the sense that the slab is not resting at the top of this beam here. Is that okay? The slab, if you look at this slab here, this particular slab I clicked on now, if you look at it very well, is that okay? For it on this beam is what? Is a drop down beam. But for this slab to this beam here, this beam become an inverted beam for this selected slab. Is that okay? What do I mean by inverted beam? Look at it here. Let me show you. Look at it here. Can you see it now? This is inverted beam. Can you see it? So for that place, for the first one where I click, I was showing you this is a drop down. You see, the slab is resting on this beam. Is that okay? But if you look at the other side of it, this is the inverted beam because you can see it here. Why the slab is at this point during construction. Is that okay? So that is that. So I'll now come to this place. Can you see it now? This becomes the inverted beam to this particular slab. And when it's come to this particular slab, this one is what? Is drop down beam, but to this place is what? Is an inverted beam to this. Can you see it now? So that is fine. And then looking at this place, this one can be taken care of, but can be cleaned up, can be dealt with during what? During a construction. Is that okay? This place can be cleaned up during what? During a construction. This place that's projecting out can be taken care of. So that is that. Now there's something I want to show you also as we round up. So now looking at this side, looking at this beam, okay, it's okay. Looking at this beam also, if you look at this beam, okay, it's okay, perfectly okay. So let me now see it's other thing again. So in a summary, this is how to go about your gallery modeling. Is that okay? That's fine. Now if you now look at this place, you may be wondering how can you go about this place, because if you look at this beam, this particular beam has no support here and it's not supposed to be a cantilever. Is that okay? It's not a cantilever. So what we have two options, and the option one is that instead I will make this one a deep beam. Is that okay? Let me make it a deep beam because of this particular gallery. I'll make it a deep beam to take care of that, or I slant it, or I take it down. So whichever way. So let's see. Let me see. Okay, I'll make it a deep beam. Maybe let me switch to 750. Let me see. 750. Let's go. 750. Let's see. Okay, then click on what? On update. Click on update. Come in, update. Correct. Can you see it now? A deep beam because of this what do you call it, a beam. Or I repeat, or the other option we have is that we can take this one down. We can slant it also. Is that okay? You slant it also while the block work, but doesn't take care of the rest. Is that okay? or we step it, the best thing I think for this, in this case, the best thing is to do what is to have a what call it to a deep beam that will take care of this side. Is that okay? Because of this place, that is that. And if you look at this other side, depends on the architectural drawing, so you must look for a way of achieving the design. Is that okay? The design. So that is that. So looking at this is perfectly okay. So that is that. So let me see. I want to show you something here. Let me see what's wrong. Okay, sorry for that. What's happening? Okay, is it this side? Yes, I think it's this side. Okay, good and fine. What I want to show you, can see this side now. If you look at this side, you see because of this side, on this other side, excuse me, on this other side, you can see what we have, what we did here. But in between this place, they can use either a block work to connect this at this point here. Is that okay? Instead of making this one a deep beam to reduce cost, you can just whichever one, understand, because the material you are going to use in between this place, time of concrete, is not small. Is that okay? You can just use block, it will cost less, isn't it? So that is that. To have a deep beam from here to this place is quite much. So that's why we created what, a beam here to stand to be able to hold this one, while in between these two we can now use a block work, either it's one block or half of the block to take care of this this place. And if it's not much, maybe they just use mortar and do the proper finishing in that particular place. So that is that. So now, looking at what we have done, we will discover that indeed we have successfully modeled our gallery. Is that okay? And this place I will use 225. Is that okay? The another architect might come and say what is 300, because what I actually use here, what we have here, we might decide to do, okay, the architect might tell you from here to this place 300. That's you step down by 300, and that one step down by 300. And another, we have seen some gallery that in form of staircase, very easy, top from here to this place 150, from here 150. But if you look at this one, how it is, you discover by the time I'm sitting down here, the head of this man, no matter how tall this person is, it will not obstruct me from seeing what is happening here. Do you get it now? And the person that is here, no matter how tall he or she is, will not stop me that is here from seeing what is here. Understand? So the head will not block me, will not serve as an obstacle for me from seeing what is happening down here. Is that okay? So that is that. This is how to go about gallery modeling. So thank you very much. And I said, in case you have not subscribed, please try and subscribe. And in case you have not liked this video, I want to say, for the benefit of those who are actually looking for a way to learn how to model gallery, just as you have also learned, I want to say all their help depends on how you are able to click on the like button. Understand? So please click on like button for the benefit of those who are waiting to learn something like this. Is that okay? Because the more you click on like, the more YouTube send the video to other places for other people to also watch. As you are watching, there's nothing stop you from just doing what? Click on the on like button. Is that okay? So if you have 20 people watching this video, we expect 20 like. If you're having 100 people watching this video, we expect 100 like. If you're having a 1 million view people watching this video, we expect 1 million likes. Is that okay? So thank you very much. Please do us a favor, and others who want to learn, by click on like button, at the same time subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Till I see you next time in our next video. Thank you. God bless you, and bye.